Your testicles hang unevenly for a reason, and it's not random. It's a desperate attempt to prevent a high-speed collision inside your pants. Your testicles are biological radiators. They need maximum surface area to dump heat into the air. That's why the skin around them is thin, flexible, and full of tiny muscles constantly adjusting position. If they hung at the exact same level, they would constantly be crashing into each other when you walked or ran. That collision would create friction. Friction would create heat, and heat would destroy the very thing they're trying to protect. This would be painful, inefficient, and raise the temperature, cooking the sperm alive. Imagine your own body accidentally sabotaging reproduction just by moving. To prevent this catastrophe, evolution engineered a deliberate asymmetry. It forces one, usually the left, to hang lower than the other. It's a biological traffic management system designed to maximize cooling and minimize impact. It's not a mistake. It's a frantic, involuntary adaptation just to keep the fragile machinery of reproduction from smashing itself to pieces. Your body hates your sperm, and it is constantly trying to destroy them. You assume that because you produce sperm, your body recognizes them as part of you. You couldn't be more wrong. Your immune system treats sperm like a deadly virus. Sperm are genetically different from every other cell in your body. They only have half the chromosomes. To the white blood cells patrolling your bloodstream, they look like alien invaders or cancerous mutants. To protect the sperm from your own body's violence, your testicles evolved a biological firewall called the blood-testis barrier. It's a wall of specialized cells that keeps your immune system locked out. But this barrier is fragile. A small injury, a minor infection, or even just overheating can cause a breach. When that happens, your immune system floods in and commits a wipeout. It attacks the sperm, causes massive inflammation, and often renders you permanently sterile. You are not a unified organism. You are a walking contradiction, harboring a life form that your own defense system is biologically programmed to attack on sight. Deep inside, a hidden war never ends. Your body against its own creation. Your cat is manipulating you with a fake language it specifically invented to control your behavior. Adult cats in the wild almost never meow at each other. The meow is an evolutionary con job. When cats domesticated themselves, they realized humans respond obsessively to vocal cues. So, they refined a specific sound designed to hack the human brain. Studies show the pitch and rhythm of a cat's meow often mimic the cry of a human baby, a frequency your brain is biologically programmed to find impossible to ignore. Every time your cat meows for food, warmth, or attention, it's triggering the same neural circuits that make you rush to comfort a crying infant. You think it's love or communication, but it's a strategic sound design. It's not a conversation. It's psychological sound engineering, an evolved survival code that lets them pull your strings without you even realizing it. Your cat has mastered the art of human influence, using nothing but frequency, timing, and your own biology. And right now, as you watch this, it already knows exactly how to get its way. Your body cleans your blood by throwing everything away and then desperately trying to grab it back. Your kidneys have to clean your entire blood supply, about 180 liters, every day to remove toxins. But the way they do it is insane. Inside them are millions of microscopic tubes called nephrons. These tiny filters don't just remove the poison, they throw out everything: water, sugar, salts, and nutrients along with it. Then, in a frantic rescue mission, they reabsorb 99% of the good stuff back into your bloodstream before the waste leaves as urine. It's like cleaning your house by throwing all your belongings, your garbage, and your valuables into the street and then frantically rushing outside to grab your TV before the garbage truck arrives. Every second of your life depends on this chaotic, non-stop sorting system, one that somehow keeps your blood pure while filtering the toxic sludge your body creates just by existing. And here's the wild part. If this process slows down for even a few hours, toxins start building up fast. Your blood turns lethal from your own waste. Right now, without you even thinking about it, those tiny filters are fighting to keep you alive. Why do we actually enjoy being terrified on Halloween? Because your brain drugs you to survive the horror. When you walk through a haunted house and something jumps out, your amygdala, the brain's panic button, slams into overdrive. It floods your body with adrenaline, preparing you to fight or flee. But here's the strange biological twist. When your conscious brain realizes the threat think isn't real, it instantly shifts gears. The flood of adrenaline stops, replaced by a euphoric cocktail of dopamine and endorphins, the same chemicals released during intense pleasure, love, or even drug use. That sudden wave of calm mixed with excitement is your brain's way of rewarding you for surviving. It's why people laugh right after screaming or immediately want to go again. Horror movies, jump scares, roller coasters, they all hijack the same system. They let you experience danger in a safe environment, tricking your biology into giving you the rush of relief without the real risk. You're not addicted to fear itself. You're addicted to the moment it ends. That rush of chemical euphoria that whispers, you survived. On Halloween night, you're not chasing death. You're chasing the high of escaping it. Your testicles are constantly trying to escape your body, and if they fail, your sperm will cook alive. Human sperm production is ridiculously fragile. It only happens at a temperature exactly 2.5 degrees Celsius cooler than the rest of your body. If it gets any warmer, the DNA inside the sperm starts to unravel and mutate, making them useless for reproduction. That's why your testicles evolved into a biological radiator, hanging outside your body like living heat sinks. They are constantly fighting to survive the furnace of your own metabolism. This battle is controlled by a small but powerful muscle called the cremaster. When you get too hot, it relaxes, dropping your testicles away from your core heat. When you're cold, it snaps tight, pulling them back toward warmth. Right now, as you sit here watching this, that muscle is twitching, making microscopic adjustments every few seconds, just to keep your future alive. It's a quiet, involuntary war, happening 24/7 inside your body, and most men never even realize it.